next heading beta, color coding. Okay, so let us try to do today about your color coding beta. So in electrical circuit beta, generally carbon resistors with very high range of values are extensively used. Okay, why color coding is used beta? It is used to indicate the value of the resistance with the percentage of your tolerance, variation from the specific value, and the percentage errors, blah blah conditions. Okay, na? Is it clear? Am I audible?
Yes.
Now the question is why the color coding is generally done. Directly we can write red, blue, green, gada. Their resistors are very small that when you write the red on this one, the person who is standing in front only can see them, but backside person cannot see. So in order to have an overall view for this one, and even if I write the red with the very small letters on this one, I need to see it from a very nearer, then only I can identify whether it is red or blue or green, what it may be, instead of giving a color. So if I give a color C, I can even differentiate it from a very larger distance. Isn't it? So color coding is done as the resistors are very small and the print value of the resistance will be very small. So color bands are very visible from the any side and it can be printed across any circumference also. Complete circumference pana manam print cheyochu danni. Avuna kada? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Chalo. So color coding chudandi manaku general ga we are having from black. First color is black. Black will be equal to your 0. The color coding. Brown will be equal to 1. Red is 2. Orange is 3. Yellow is 4. Green is 5. Like that, blue, violet, gray, so and white. So the numbering is for that one 0 to 9. Okay. See, whenever you are trying to write the resistor beta, the first one will always represents me the first significant figure. The first band will represent me what beta? First significant figure. Second band will represent me the second significant figure. And third one will be representing the multiplier. And the nth time 10 to the power of 1 10 to the power of 2 anadi. And the last band will represent me the tolerance, to what level it can tolerate. So whenever you are given the resistor, you see right now for this one, the first band always represents me the first digit. Second band will represent me the second significant figure. And third band will represent me the multiplier. And fourth band will represent me the tolerance. Is that clear? Is that clear? Sure. For black, if I am taking beta, first digit is nothing but nil. Okay. Second digit is 0. Okay. And multiplier is nothing but 1. For brown, the first digit is 1. Second digit is also 1. Multiplier is 10. Like that. Okay. Now we are having very easy way to remember the color coding beta. That is nothing but this one. So color coding of your resistance is used for the value of your resistance. See this one bit. B.B. Roy of a Great Britain has a very good wife. The first B represents the black, second B represents me the brown. In Roy R-O-Y, R represents me red, O represents me the orange, and Y represents me the yellow. Of the Shandy, in the Great G represents me the green. In the Britain, B represents me the blue. And had you remove it, again in very V represents me your violet. And in good gray, G represents me the gray. And in white, W represents me the white. Okay. Gold is having a tolerance of plus or minus 5%. Silver color is having plus or minus of 10%. If nothing color is been given in the last band, you should take it as 10 plus or minus of your 20%. Okay. For black, what is the digit beta? 0. Power is how much? Multiplier 10 to the power of 0. For brown, it is 1. Power multiplier is 10 to the power of 1. For red, the multiplier is 10 to the power of 2. Orange 10 to the power of 3. Yellow 10 to the power of 4. Green 10 to the power of 5. Blue 10 to the power of 6. Violet 10 to the power of 7. Gray 10 to the power of 8. And white 10 to the power of 9. Is that clear? Color coding చేసేటప్పుడు ఇది కంపల్సరీ గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలన్న. And you should start with a black and numbering should start from 0 to 9. Power is also should be start from 10 to the power of 0 to 10 to the power of 9. Clear?
Yes, sir.
See this question better. What is the resistance of the following resistor? 4 bands ichchadana ikkada. Yellow, violet, brown and gold. Okay. What are the 4 bands on the resistor? First one is yellow, second one is violet, third one is brown and fourth one is gold. For yellow, what is the first significant figure beta? For yellow, it is representing the significant figure, that is 4. Violet again the second significant figure 7. Third will represent the multiplier. For brown, what is the multiplier, beta? Where is the brown? You see, for brown multiplier is 10 to the power of 1. Next one is gold. For gold, what is the tolerance you see there? Plus or minus 5%. That means 47 into 10 to the power of 1 plus or minus of 5%. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Next one చూడండి. Next resistor. Red and silver. For red, first one will represent means first significant figure beta 2. Second also the significant figure 2. Third one is multiplier. Red యొక్క multiplier ఏముంది చూడండి. What is the red multiplier? 10 to the power of 2. So it is 10 to the power of 2. And last one is silver. For silver, it is plus or minus of your 10%. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Third one చూడండి. Only 3 bands has been given. Fourth band is not given. 6. The first one is green. Next one is violet. Third one is red. So what will be the answer, beta? For green, the multiplier is 5. For violet, the multiplier is 7. And for red, the multiplier is 10 to the power of 5. For green, the first significant figure is 5 beta. For violet, the second significant figure is 7. For red, the multiplier represents just 10 to the power of 2. And fourth band is not given, so we are taking for no band 10 plus or minus of your 20%. Clear?
Sir, once again, sir.
Which one? All are?
See. Yes, sir.
చూడన్నా ఇది bands nana. Generally, whenever you're doing the problems, you need to remember that there will always be 4 bands on the resistor. The first band, whatever the color it is been given, that represents me the first significant figure, and you should take a digit. Okay. Second one should also be represent me the second significant figure or second digit. Whatever the color it is been given, that color number you need to take. And third one will always represent me multiplier. That means power 10 to the power of how much? Third color every time. First one is first digit, second one is second digit, and third one is your multiplier, and fourth one is the representing me the tolerance. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
And if no color is given, fourth one, then we take the tolerance as plus or minus 20%. Okay. Now we need to remember this graph for this one better. Color coding. Black, brown, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, gray, and white. And we'll be starting with 0. First one is representing significant figures beta. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are significant figures. And the powers are nothing but multipliers. For black, the multiplier is 10 to the power of 0. For brown, the multiplier is 10 to the power of 1. For red, the multiplier is 10 to the power of 2. For orange, it is 10 to the power of 3. Yellow, it is 10 to the power of 4. Green, 10 to the power of 5. Blue, 10 to the power of 6. Violet, 10 to the power of 7. Gray, 10 to the power of 8. And white, 10 to the power of 9. Okay, na?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now see this question. What is the resistance of the following circuit under or following resistor? Oka resistor it listed manaku. Oka resistor manaku it lectured. What is telling in that one? First one is representing me yellow color. Second one is representing me violet color. Third one is representing me the brown. And fourth one is representing me the gold. Now write the resistor of that one. Yellow ante ekkada vastundi chudandi. Yellow ante ikkada. Yellow ki digit and the first one.
4. 4.
So I have written that one as 4. Yellow ki 4. Second also will represent my digit only kada. Violet. Violet యొక్క digit ఎంత ఉంది? 7. So it is 7. Third color is nothing but brown. Brown will represent me what beta? Multiplier kada.
Multiplier.
For brown, what is the multiplier?
1.
10 to the power of 1. Multiplier. Power. 1 అనేది significant figure. 1 అనేది significant figure నాన్న. ఇదేమో multiplier. అర్థమైందా? This one is your significant figure and this one is your multiplier. Okay? For brown, what is the multiplier? 10 to the
10 to the power of 1.
It is the 10 to the power of 1. Last color is given as what? Gold. For gold, what is the tolerance? 5%. So color key 5%. So what is the answer ultimately for me? 47 into 10 to the power of 1 plus or minus 5%. అర్థమైందా?
Yes.
Now second one చూడండి. Red and green. Sorry, silver. So red యొక్క significant figure, first significant figure 2. Second is also representing significant figure. Second color is what? Again red. So that is also again 2. For red, what is the multiplier?
10 to the power of 2.
2 10 to the power of 2. And last one is silver. Silver ki tolerance enta 10%. So that will be equal to your 10%. So the answer is 22 into 10 to the power of 2 plus or minus 10%. Which in the
Yes, sir.
third one, Jordan. In the third part, what he has given for green, violet, red. Green యొక్క significant figure 5. Violet యొక్క significant figure 7. అవునా? Red యొక్క tolerance, sorry, multiplier 10 to the power of 2. ఏమీ కలర్ ఇవ్వలేదు కాబట్టి what is the tolerance will be taking? Plus or minus 20%.
20%.
The answer is how much for me? 57 into 10 to the power of 2 plus or minus of 27. Okay na?
Yes, sir.
చేస్తారా ఇంకోటి ఇట్లా ఇస్తే
Yes, sir.
ఇక్కడ డి రాస్తున్నాను ఒకటి చెప్పండి. This is your resistor. Okay. And first one is representing me like this. Okay. And next one is representing me like this. Violet and third one is representing me this one. Okay. And last one is nothing but of you this one. Okay. I'm giving the namings better. First one is your red. Next one is your violet. Third one is your orange. And this one is your silver. Now tell me the answer. Red, violet, orange, silver. What will be the resistance?
27 into 10 power 3 plus or minus 10%.
Yeah, so it is 27 into 10 to the power of 3 plus or minus 10%. Which in the red is
Yes,
significant figure 2. Red is significant figure 2. Red is in color richard violet. Violet is significant figure in the 7. So it is 27. Red, next one is given for me what color beta? Orange. Orange yoga multiplier 10 to the power of 3. So it is 27 into 10 to the power of 3. Last color he has given silver. For silver, the tolerance is 10%. Machinda?
Yes, sir.
So now see this question better. In 2019 mains la adigina question is color coding pen. A 200 ohm resistor has a certain color code. If one 200 ohm resistor ఉంది మన దగ్గర. Okay, దానికి certain code ఉంది. వాడు ఏమనేది ఇవ్వలేదు మనం. If one replaces the red color by the green in the code, the new resistance will be equal to how much? అంటే 200 లా 200 ఎలా రాయొచ్చు నేను అన్న 20 into 10 to the power of 1 నా
Yes, sir.
అంటే 2 represents me what? Red color.
Yes, sir.
0 represents me
sir.
what? Black.
Black.
And 10 to the power of 1 means brown. అంటే వాడి దగ్గర ఉన్న కలర్ కోడ్ ఏంది? రెడ్, బ్లాక్ అండ్ బ్రౌన్. అంతేనా?
Yes, sir.
అర్థమైందా?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
ఆ
sir.
200 ఇచ్చాడు 200 ని మనం కలర్ కోడింగ్ లో రాస్తున్నాం మనం 2 is representing me red, 0 is representing me black, and third one represents a multiplier. If multiplier is 0 means what? 10 to the power of 0 means brown. Avana?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So it is 20 into 10 to the power of 1. Now what is telling? If one replaces the red color by green, so I am replacing the red color by your green. Now this will become for me green, black, brown kada.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now for green, what is the significant figure? For green, what is
5.
the significant figure? 5. First one will represent me 5 కదా green color వచ్చింది ఇప్పుడు రెడ్ బదులు అంటే green కి ఏం రాస్తాం ఇప్పుడు మనం ఇక్కడ
5.
5.
equal to your 5. This will be your 0. So it is 0. So it is 50 into 10 to the power of 1. That means 500 ohms.
Yes, sir.
Machinda?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Arvind?
Yes, sir.
So that was about your story of your color coding. Okay na?
Yes, sir.
So what is the first one representing meter? First color represents me the first significant. Second color will represent me the second significant figure. Third one represents me what?
Multiplier.
Multiplier.
Fourth one will represent
Tolerance.
Tolerance.
ante. వచ్చింది అందరికి?
Yes, sir.
Sure. Series parallel combination అయిపోయింది కదా?
Yes,
What is the effective resistance in series? ఎలా రాస్తాం? సర్క్యూట్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ పంపించాను చూడండి సార్ చూసుకోండి.
Yes, sir.
Color coding answer right sir. 22. A carbon resistance has the following color code. What is the value of the resistance? కలర్ కోడింగ్ లో చూడండి 2019 లో 2 క్వశ్చన్స్ అడిగాడు మార్నింగ్ లోనే. ఒకటేమో 8th April కి, ఒకటేమో 10th Jan కి. అంటే 1 క్వశ్చన్ ఇస్ బీన్ జనరల్లీ ఆస్క్డ్ ఫ్రమ్ దిస్ టాపిక్. క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 22 కనిపిస్తుందా?
Yes, sir.
ఎంత వస్తుంది చెప్పండి ఆన్సర్. కార్బన్ రెసిస్టెన్స్ హ్యాస్ ఎ కలర్ కోడ్. What is the value of the resistance? B.B. Roy of Great Britain had a very good wife. అది గుర్తుపెట్టుకుంటే అన్ని కలర్ కోడింగ్ రాసుకోవచ్చు మీరు ప్రశాంతంగా. Should start the significant figures from 0 and powers from 10 to the power of 0.
Sir, option B, sir.
B, yeah. గోల్డ్ కి అయితే పర్సెంటేజ్ టాలరెన్స్ +or -5%. అంటే థర్డ్ ఆప్షన్ అయితే ఎట్లా కాదు. ఎల్లోకి
3. 10^4, sir.
గ్రీన్
Green 5.
5.
ఆరెంజ్
3.
530 కిలో ఓమ్స్. అంతేనా?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Start this question.
A1 is 20, sir. Option A is 20.
Option A 90.
No, sir. Down one question.
Okay, fine. చలో ఈ క్వశ్చన్ స్టార్ట్ చేయండి అందరూ. Find the equivalent resistance between A and B in the following cases. A, B, C, D. చేయండి అందరూ. మీరు చేయండి ముందు. సింపుల్ క్వశ్చన్స్. Wherever I need to calculate the effective resistance, to that point you give the battery beta. ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఎంత వచ్చింది
20, sir.
20 ohms. Very good. వచ్చిందా? See this 10 and 20 will be which combination?
Series.
Series combination. And ఎంత అవుతుంది అది 10 plus 20 that will be 30. So above resistance is right now 30, below resistance is nothing but your 60, and this is connected to a battery, negative and positive. 30 and 60 are in which combination beta?
Parallel.
Parallel. So both of them are in parallel, and they are in parallel. This will become for me how much beta? Effective resistance across your A and B will be equal to your 30 into 60 divided by 30 plus of your 60. Antena? That is coming out for me how much? 20 ohms. వచ్చింది అందరికి?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
నెక్స్ట్
sir.
వన్ చూడండి B. A and B మధ్యలో కావాలంటే ఏం చేయాలి ముందు? To the terminals of your A, I need to connect to positive and B should be connected to negative. So there is a flow of a current from here. ఇక్కడ నుంచి పొంగనక డివైడ్ అయిపోయింది. 3 and 1 will be which combination?
Series.
Series.
అంటే ఎంత అవుతుంది అది? 3 plus 1 that will be equal to 4 ohms. This 4 and 4 will be in which combination?
Parallel.
Parallel.
అంటే ఎంత? 4 by 2 అంటే 2 ohms. అంతేనా?
Yes.
This 2 and 6 will be in which combination? Series. So 6 plus 2 will be equal to how much for me? 8. వచ్చిందా?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
ఉందా లేదా? నెక్స్ట్ వన్ A and B మధ్యలో కావాలా. సో A కి పాజిటివ్, B కి నెగటివ్. There is a flow of current in this one. ఇక్కడ రాగానే ఇది డివైడ్ అయిపోయింది. So there is no.
Yes, 4 and 4 are in parallel now.
అవును 4 and
Why
4.
did you take 4 by
4 and 4 ప్యారలల్ అంటే ఏమో రాస్తాం మనం? 4 by 2 కదా?
Yes, sir.
సిమిలర్ కదా?
Yes, sir.
4 into 4 by 4 plus 4 ఎంత అవుతుంది? 4 4 is 16 plus 8. 8 1s are 8 2s are 2 కదా?
Yes, sir.
This 2 and 6 will be in series, 8 ohms.
Okay.
Now 2 and 4 are in which combination?
Series.
Series. So 2 plus 4, how much it is? 6. This 6 and this 3 will be what combination? ఒక దానిపైన ఒకటి ఉన్నాయి.
Parallel.
Parallel.
Parallel అంటే ఎంత? 6 into 3 plus
2 ohms.
ఎంత?
2 ohms.
2 ohms. This 2, 5 and 3 will be in which combination? Series.
Series.
అంతే కదా? So it is 2 plus 5 plus 3.
10.
ohms. వచ్చిందా? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Chalo number D. Between A and B. That means A should be connected to positive, B should be connected to negative. Chappan. So the moment the current goes here, it gets divided here, right? This current goes here, so there is no division. So this 2 will be in which combination? Series. 7 plus 3.
10.
10. Then this is your 10. This 10 and this 10 will be parallel. So 10 by 2, 5.
5.
5 plus 5 series. How much it is?
10.
10 and 10 will be in parallel.
5.
5. So effective is how much for me?
5 ohms.
5 ohms.
5 ohms. Ochinda,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Vijayan Mir. Find the equivalent resistance between A and B in the following cases. A and B మధ్యలో కావాలి మనకు. So when the current is coming here, it gets divided here, it gets divided here. This 2, this 3 and this 2. Which combination?
Series.
Series. So how much it is?
6.
6. Is మొత్తం 6 వస్తుందా? So this 6 ohms and this 6 ohm are in parallel. 6 by 2.
3 ohms.
So the 3 ohms. This 3 and 4. How much?
10.
And
10.
10. Thus 10. ఇది మొత్తం 10 వచ్చి. ఈ 10 ఈ 10 parallel. ఎంత?
5.
5.
5.
5 E5 series.
15.
15. So our active across your AB will be equal to 15 ohms. వచ్చిందా?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. దాని తర్వాత A and B మధ్యలో కావాలి మళ్ళా positive and negative. So from here there is a division. Everywhere there is a division of current. Okay. This 3 and 3 are in which combination?
Series.
Series. How much it is?
Series.
6.
This 6 and this 6 are in which combination? Parallel.
3.
So it is 3. Again this 3 will be which combination?
Series.
series. So this will be equal to 6. This 6 and this 6 will be in which combination?
Parallel.
Parallel. So it will be equal to how much? 3. This 3 will be equal to series. That is 6. This 6 and this 6 will be parallel. So that is your 3. This 3 and this 3 will be in the series 6. Is 6 ever. Is 6 and ఎంత వస్తుందా?
3.
3.
Parallel.
అవుతుంది. How much you are getting?
2 ohm.
2.
వచ్చిందా?
Yes, sir.
Sure. Next one. Between A and B. A కి ఇక్కడ పాజిటివ్ కరెంట్, B కి ఇక్కడ నెగటివ్ టెర్మినల్. So the moment the current comes here, it gets divided everywhere. Okay na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Try to do it. పైన ఎంత అయితే వస్తుందో కింద కూడా అంతే వస్తుందా? ఎందుకంటే రెప్లికా ఉంది చూడండి. మధ్యలో అద్దం పెడితే దాని ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ రెప్లికా ఉంది. అవునా కదా?
Yes, sir.
This 10 and this 20.
30.
30.
30 series combination. Here also same. This 10 and this 20. 30.
30.
This 30 and 60 parallel.
20.
20.
How much? 20.
20.
This 2 will be equal to your 20 ohms. Again here also this 2. This will be equal to your 20.
20.
20 and 10 will be
Series.
series. That means this is 30 ohms. Here also 20 and 30. 30 ohms. అంటే పైన మొత్తం 30, మధ్యలో 30, కింద కూడా 30. Distance across your A and B అంటే ఎంత? 30 divided by 3. That will be equal to 10.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
కదా? సిమిలర్ లో ఉన్నప్పుడు ఏం చెప్పాను నేను? రెసిస్టెన్స్ ఇన్ ద పారలల్ విల్ బి ఈక్వల్ టు యువర్ R by N. అంతేనా?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
18th one. Find the equivalent resistance between A and B. Okay. So what do we need to do first? First connect A to the positive terminal and B to your negative terminal. So there is a current here right now. This will come here and it will get divided. It will come here, it will get divided. Then it will come here, this will come here right now. Again it will divide. This 2 will go here and this will come here and this 2 go here. So see here, the 6 and this 12.
Series.
Series.
How much it is?
18.
6 into 12. Series కాబట్టి 6 plus 12. ఇదెంత? 18.
18.
Then 6 and 12 parallel. ఎంత? 6 into 12 by 6 plus 12. ఎంత? 6 into 12 by 6 plus 12.
4.
4.
Okay. This 4 ohms and this 2 will be which combination better? This 2 and this 4 will be
Series.
series. This is also in series with this one.
Yes.
So 2 plus 4 plus 6. How much?
12.
12. ఇది మొత్తం ఇటు సైడ్ మొత్తం. This total how much I got? 12. So this one is 18. 18 and 18 will be which combination better? This 2.
Parallel.
Parallel.
So 18 by 2.
9.
9.
This 9, this 3 will be which combination?
Series.
Series.
Series. How much it will be? 9 by
12.
ఎంత?
12.
12.
ఇప్పుడు వచ్చిందా?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
సో పైన మొత్తం 12 వచ్చిందా?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay na? So now what is answer? This side is your 12, this one is your 5, and this side is 1, and this side is 1, and here is 1. Antena? This is B. This is 4, this is 5. This one how much I got right now beta here? This one is 12 and this one also 12. This 12 and 12 are in which combination?
Parallel.
Parallel.
12 by 2. 6.
6.
So effective resistance across A and B.
15.
How much beta? 5 plus 6 plus 4.
15.
15 ohms. Vachinda?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Number B. A and B. I need to calculate the effective resistance between A and B. So A is connected to positive, B is connected to negative. There is a flow of a current right now here. It will go here, it will get divided here. Again, this will get divided here. So 6 and 12 will be which combination?
Parallel.
Parallel.
6 into 12 by 6 plus 12.
4.
4. So this 4 ohm and this 8 ohm, which combination?
Series.
Series.
Series is 4 plus 8.
12.
12.
Down 15 plus 45.
60.
60. This is series combination kabadi. This is 60. అయిపోయిందా?
Yes, sir.
Find the 12 మధ్యలోదేమో 60. So how much it is? These two are in which combination? 12 and 60 are in which combination?
Parallel.
Parallel. ఎంత వస్తుంది? 12 into 60 divided by 12 plus 60.
10.
ఎంత? 10 ohms. Clear? Find అయిపోయిందా? Now above story is over. Below this one. 2 and 6.
Series.
Series how much?
8.
8 and 12. Parallel kada.
Parallel.
So 12 into 8 divided by 12 plus 8. How much?
Sir, 4.8.
Tell me in fraction. 24 by 5. అంతే కదా?
Yes, sir. 24 by.
Okay. దాని తర్వాత after that this how much we got beta? Above 1 completely 10 kada?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
So this one will become here 1 resistance down, and down here also 1 resistance, and here is 1 resistance. This is your B. So this is your 3 ohms. This total how much we got right now here beta? 24 divided by 5. And this one how much we got beta?
10 and 14.
10 and 12. 10 plus 14 kada?
Yes, sir.
అంతేనా? This one how much we got? 4 కదా? కిందది 16 వచ్చింది. Okay, ఇది మొత్తం 10. So 10 plus 14. That means this will become how much for me? 20.
20.
Okay. Then anything else? 24 and 24 by 5 will be which combination?
Parallel.
Parallel.
ఇదంతా వస్తుంది చూడండి. 24 into 24 by 5 divided by 24 plus 25 by 5. ఎంత వచ్చింది?
576 by 144. 76 by 144.
4 into 24 divided by 5 divided by 24 plus 24 by 5. This one I got 11.52 divided by. ఇది ఎంత వస్తుందన్న? అంతేనా?
Yes.
ఇది 4 వస్తుంది అప్పుడు.
Sir, yes, sir. 4, sir.
4 వచ్చిందా?
Yes, sir.
Then finally this is your 3 and middle one is 4 and the last one is your 3. This is a terminal B, this is a terminal A. So effective distance across A and B is how much? 3 plus 4 plus 3 and the 10 ohms. I hope you got everyone. Chinda. Chalo, next one.
Yes, sir.
Find the equivalent resistance between A and B in the following cases. R, 2R, 3R, so on up to 100R. So R equivalent will be equal to your R plus 2R plus 3R plus so on up to your 100R. So that will be equal to your R into 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus sum of all natural numbers.
N into N plus 1.
ఇది ఎంత అవుతుంది R into N ఎంత ఉంది మన దగ్గర 100
100 into
into 100 plus 1 divided by 2. So that will be equal to how much one?
R into 5050.
5050 into R. Okay na?
Yes, sir.
Chalo, number B. నిన్ననే చెప్పాను నేను sum of natural numbers number idea ఉంది కదా ఫార్ములా sum
Yes,
of your
sir.
n natural numbers will be equal to your n into n plus 1 divided by 2 by
Plus 1 by 2.
B చేయండి ఇన్ఫైనైట్ రెసిస్టెన్స్ అంటే ఏం చెప్పాను నేను నిన్న ఇది రిపీట్ అవుతుంది రిమూవ్ ఇట్ అండ్ గివ్ ద నేమ్ x.
Yes, sir.
So this will be your R, and this will be your 2R, and this is the terminal across your A and B. So this 2R in which combination?
Series.
It is
2R ni తీసేసిన తర్వాత will get one resistance కదా X.
Yes, sir.
అవునా కదా X and 2R in which combination?
Parallel.
parallel.
And effective will become something like this here. So this one is your R, isn't it? And this one will be equal to your this one. This is a terminal B, this is your terminal A. So this will be equal to 2R into your X divided by 2R plus of your X. That
Yes,
means
Yes.
R effective across your A and B will be equal to R plus 2R into your X divided by 2R plus of your X. Isn't it?
yes, sir.
I told you whenever you are taking infinity problems, resistance across your A and B should also be given the same name by removing whatever the name you are given. By removing all the repeating circuit, what is the name you are given? X kada.
Yes, sir.
Resistance across your A and B should also be your X. So it is R plus 2R into your X divided by 2R plus of your X. Chesara,
Yes, sir.
change and so this will become for me R naught. Everything is R kada. So X value రాసుకోండి సరిపోతుంది. చెప్పండి ఎంత వస్తుంది? Resistance can't be negative better. Be careful. So we'll get a quadratic equation kada.
Yes.
So how much you're getting this is X minus of your R into this one is nothing but 2R plus of your X is equals to 2R into your X. Okay, this one will be 2R into your X. This will be minus 2 into R square plus this one will be your X square minus of your R into your X is equals to 2R into your X. That means this will become for me your X square minus this one is R into your X minus of 2 into R square will be equal to 0. And X will be equal to how much beta? R plus R minus under root of your R square plus 8 into your R square divided by 2. And this is your R plus R minus this one will be 9 and 3. This one is a 3 into your R square divided by 2. The answer will be equal to the
3R by 2.
this one 3R by 2 so root value possible. So it is a 2R minus of your R. So resistance across your A and B can't be negative kabatti. The answer will be equal to your 2R. Achinda? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Chalo. Next one చేయండి సార్ నేను నిన్న చెప్పాను ఇది R this 2 will become how much beta below 1 2R and this one is how much 4 resistance అన్నాడు 4R దాని తర్వాత 8R all of them are in which combination beta parallel కదా
Yes, sir.
1 by R effective will be equal to 1 by r plus 1 by 2r plus 1 by 4r plus 1 by 8r plus up to infinity. That means 1 by r will be common. It is 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 square plus so on up to infinity. What type of progression it is? Geometric progression. So how do you calculate geometric progression for infinite terms? S infinity is equals to a by 1 minus r. R is your common ratio. A is your first term. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this will come out for me how much better? 1 by r as it is. So it is 1 by 1 minus 1 by 2. That will become for me 2 by r. Isn't it? So this is 1 by r effective. And r effective and r effective will become for me r by 2. Okay now?
Yes.
Sure. ఇవి నేను రేపు చెప్తాను క్లాస్లో మీరు అయితే ఒకసారి చేయండి విట్స్టోన్ బ్రిడ్జ్ కాన్సెప్ట్ ఇంకా చెప్పలేదు నేను విట్స్టోన్ బ్రిడ్జ్ కాన్సెప్ట్ స్టార్ డెల్టా ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఇది సిమెట్రీస్ కాన్సెప్ట్స్ సో రిమైనింగ్ విల్ ట్రై టు డూ ఇట్ ఇన్ ద టుమారో సెషన్ ఆఫ్ ద క్లాస్ ఓకేనా
Yes.
దీనికైనా ముందు ఇంకో అసైన్మెంట్ కూడా పంపించాను మీకు
Yes.
Yes, sir.
19 క్వశ్చన్స్ 20 క్వశ్చన్స్ ఏమో ఉన్నాయి ఇవి చేయండి ఒకసారి ఎప్పుడు చేస్తారు ఇవి 2 సార్లు ఎందుకు వచ్చింది దీనికి ఆన్సర్ చెప్పండి సార్ రెసిస్టెన్స్ షోన్ ద వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ ద టాలరెన్స్ ఆర్ గివెన్ చెప్పండి సార్ ఎంత ట్రై చేస్తారా ఈరోజు ఈ క్వశ్చన్స్ అన్ని
Yes, sir.
ఈరోజు రేపు చేసుకుని వస్తేనే క్లాస్ తీసుకుంటా నేను అందరూ ఆన్సర్ సబ్మిట్ చేయాలి దీనికి రానేది స్పేస్ విడిచిపెట్టండి తర్వాత టైం లేదు ఏం లేదు అని చెప్పకూడదు నాకు ఈ 29 క్వశ్చన్స్లో 29 క్వశ్చన్స్ మీరు చేసినట్లు ప్రతి ఒక్కళ్ళు పేర్లతో పాటు నాకు రేపు వీడియోస్ ఆన్ చేసి చూపెట్టాలి అప్పుడే నేను క్లాస్ కంటిన్యూ చేస్తాను లేకపోతే నేను క్లాస్ ఆఫ్ చేసి వెళ్ళిపోతాను 20 క్వశ్చన్స్లో మీకు ఎన్ని వస్తాయని చేయండి రానివి రేపు డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం అర్థమవుతుందా
Yes, sir.
అందరూ ఈ నోట్స్లో అయితే ఇప్పుడు కరెంట్ నోట్స్ రాస్తున్నారు కదా ఆ నోట్స్లోనే ఈ క్వశ్చన్ రాయగలిగితే రాయండి లేదు అనుకుంటే జిరాక్స్ తీసుకొని అక్కడ పక్కన ప్రింట్ చేసి పెట్టేసుకొని ఆ క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ వేసి ప్రాబ్లం చేసుకుంటే బాగుంది
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
రేపు మాత్రం అందరు చూపెట్టాలి ఒకరు చూపెట్టకపోయినా నేనైతే క్లాస్ ఆఫ్ చేసి వెళ్ళిపోతాను ఈ మాట్లాడాలి ఇంకా నెక్స్ట్ మాటే ఉండదు ఇంకా ఎంతమంది అయితే జాయిన్ అవుతున్నారో ఇప్పుడు 25 మెంబర్స్ ఉన్నారు రేపు 32 మెంబర్స్ వచ్చినా కూడా వాళ్ళు క్లాస్ వినకపోయినా కూడా వాళ్ళు రాయకపోయినా కూడా మీదే బాధ్యత మీరు గ్రూప్లో చెప్పుకోండి మాట్లాడుకోండి వినని వాళ్ళకి చెప్పండి లేకపోతే రేపు క్లాస్ రాకూడదని చెప్పండి ఈరోజు 25 మెంబర్స్ ఉన్నారు ఈ 25 మెంబర్స్ అయితే ఖచ్చితంగా ఏం చేయాలా ఆటలు ఆడుకొని రావాలి మంచిగా నిద్రపోయి తిని 3 పూట్ల క్లాస్ రావాలి ఓకేనా
No, sir.
ఏం చేస్తారు మరి క్వశ్చన్స్ చేసుకుని వస్తారు కదా
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
25 మెంబర్స్ ఉన్నారు ఈ 25 మెంబర్స్ అందరూ చూపెట్టాలి ఖచ్చితంగా ఓకే
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
టేక్ కేర్ బేటా బాయ్
Bye, sir.